everyone, welcome to CoMo Cook's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our kitchen to make raspberry puree. So first I'm going to wash all the raspberries, and I'm going to use our 1 gallon blender by Avamix. And I'm just going to add all the berries to this blender. Lid on, and I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna set the speed. I keep it on a pretty low speed. They're raspberries, they don't take a lot of pureeing. It just takes a minute to kind of get them started. I'm gonna push them around a little bit with my spatula, get the puree going. Once it's pureed, I'm going to use my china cap to remove a lot of the seeds. I'm using this for a filling for cakes, and I don't really like all the seeds in it. So this china cap works great for pressing all of the puree through the sieve. And look at all those seeds. I make sure I scrape the sides of the china cap. Don't want to waste any of that berry juice. And there it is, quite a bit with those raspberries. So with the raspberry puree, I add sugar, mix it up, keep it on about a medium heat. Pour in a little bit more sugar, and then I'm just gonna let this simmer. Turn the heat way down, and then just kind of let it simmer, stirring occasionally. I like to check it after about 10 minutes. It's not quite thick enough. 25 minutes, it's right where I need it to be. I'm gonna let this cool down, and once it's cool, I'm gonna package it into these Ziploc bags. I like to keep them in the Ziploc bags so that I can lay them flat in the freezer for future use. Make sure you label and date all of your products. And that's it. It's really that simple. I hope to see you around the kitchen. Have a great day.